One of the other key advantages of the Zip system is its overall robustness and durability, making it ideal for large blinds and blinds in high-use areas. A perennial problem with dim-out blinds is when a window behind the blind is left open and the blind is then closed. Opening a door to the room creates a vacuum behind the blind which tends to suck the fabric out of the channels. But this does not happen with a Shy Zip blind, as the fabric is trapped in the channels by the unique zip. Other manufacturers make dim-out blinds to different specifications, and we decided to test 3 competitor products to see how they would stand up to this type of pressure. To do this, we are going to swing a 3-litre bottle of water weighing just over 3 kilograms into each of these blinds from varying distances. With the blind installed on the test rig, we've covered the head box so as not to embarrass any of the other manufacturers. So, let's start the test. From 1 metre, the bottle strikes the blind and you can see it has pulled the fabric and the bar out of the side channel on one side. From 1.5 metres, the impact has pulled the cloth out from both channels. And from 2 metres, the damage is obviously even worse. This is an electrically operated blind, and as the blind is retracted, it jams before it is fully closed. A common problem with standard dim-out blinds with this type of operation, often causing permanent damage. The second test blind has been installed. So let's run the test from 1 metre again, and you can see that this fails at the first distance, so it was not worth subjecting it to any more tests, and obviously with the fabric not retained, the retraction of the blind was problematic. Just 3 kilograms from a distance of 1 metre was enough to pull the fabric right out of both channels of this competing product. As the blind is retracted, it actually becomes jammed on a splinter in the test frame, but you can easily see that it would not have retracted properly anyway. The Shy Zip system with the new side channels has now been installed on our test rig, so let's run the same tests. At 1 metre, there is hardly a bulge in the back of the fabric, and at both 1.5 metres and 2 metres, the blind is unaffected. So if that was not proof enough, let's double the weight to just over 6 kilograms and test the blind from the maximum 2 metre distance. The cloth is still fully retained in the side channels, and you can see the zip blind is none the worse for wear, despite what we have, literally, thrown at it. So there you have it. Proof positive of the durability and robustness of the innovative Shy Zip system, one of the family of commercial roller blind systems from Shy UK, available from our UK network of approved dealers.